Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change USD to TRX in Trust Wallet. Let's get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile. Log in using your passcode or fingerprint to access your account. Once logged in, tap on the Swap tab at the bottom. Here, you can swap different coins. Select USDT in the top field by tapping the drop-down arrow. However, you'll notice that USDT is not available to swap directly for TRX. The same goes for TRX in the To section. Since the swap feature doesn't support this exchange, we'll use PancakeSwap instead. Tap on the Discover button at the bottom right of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type PancakeSwap. And then from the results, select it. Once on the PancakeSwap page, make sure your wallet is connected. Tap on the Connect option at the top right corner. Once you connect it, now select the currency. Tap Select Currency. Choose USDT in the top field. Once you select USDT in the top field, then choose TRX in the To section, which means in the bottom field. After that, enter the amount. After entering the amount, you will see the Swap button appear instead of the Connect Wallet option. Simply click on the Swap button, wait for the transaction to process, and voila, your USDT will be successfully swapped to TRX. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.